How to fix TikTok favorite sounds not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we'll show you how you can fix the issue of your favorite TikTok sounds not showing up. So if you favorite a sound or a song on TikTok but you can't find it, follow the steps carefully to avoid mistakes. First, go ahead and open your TikTok application, log into your account, and open a video containing the sound. Then go to its sound. You will see the option of add to favorites. Tap on that. Now to access your favorites, you need to go to your TikTok profile. Now go to this favorite section that is between the repost liked section. You will see the option of post, collection, sounds, and effects. Go ahead and tap on sounds. You will see the list of sounds that you have saved to favorite. You can see the sound that I just added to my favorite collection. And that's how you can access your favorite TikTok sounds. So if favorite TikTok sound isn't appearing, try closing the TikTok application completely from your device and reopen it. This refreshes the app and may resolve the problem. If that does not work, uninstall the TikTok application, reinstall it from your Play Store or App Store. And if you do not want to do that, you can go ahead and search for TikTok. If you see an update button over there, simply tap on update in order to update it to its latest version. And this provides a fresh installation and forces an update to the latest version. Reinstalling can fix issues caused by bugs or cached files. And after reinstalling, check if the problem is resolved. And if you still can't see your favorite sounds, you need to go ahead and contact the TikTok support. For that, go to your profile. Tap on the three lines and then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down and go to Report a Problem. Again, scroll down and tap on Chat with Us. You will be taken to the chat or the conversation page. Now on this page, you need to simply go ahead and explain that you can't see your favorite sounds in TikTok application, even though you favorite them. Ask them to resolve the issue promptly. And the TikTok team will review your report and ideally fix the problem within a day or two. The support team is generally reliable. So if any of these methods work for you, or if you have other solutions, please share them in the comments below to help others. Thanks for watching.